Introducing Copilot Pages, a dynamic, collaborative canvas for AI-assisted teamwork. Imagine you work for an EV charging company and discover a new business opportunity. You start in BizChat, asking Copilot to gather information online, such as daily passenger counts and the number of parking spaces with EV chargers. After Copilot provides this data, you convert the response into a page for ongoing work. Wanting to share your findings and collaborate with colleagues, you tag them, allowing everyone to contribute and edit in real time. Next, you need to draft a plan for your proposal, so you switch to the Work tab. Here, you can ask Copilot to reference a previous plan for a head start. Copilot retrieves the deliverables, workback schedule, and assigned owners, which you can add to your page. Your colleagues can then update the schedule and make assignments right away. Now it's time to outline the proposal. You want to review customer needs, so a coworker uses Copilot to extract key requirements from a recorded meeting from last week. Within seconds, Copilot synthesizes the discussion and provides your team with essential takeaways. You're now ready to build the proposal. Since you secured a similar deal last year, you ask Copilot to use that proposal as a foundation and update it to reflect the new customer requirements. With just one click, Copilot assembles everything for you. Pages represents a completely new approach to work, fostering collaboration between humans and AI. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and write a comment below.